time signatures communicate feel. Time signatures organise music into even sections. Each section is called a bar or a measure, and each section is divided by a bar line. Bar lines make music easier to read. Time signatures go after the clef and the key signature, but then you can change the time signature whenever you like. Here's your handy guide to commonly used time signatures. We have 4/4, 3/4, 2/4, 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, 5/4, 3/8 and 2/2, which is also called cut common. 4/4 is also called common time. Starting with the lower number, so we have 4 on all of these, 8, 4, 8 and 2. Here are the lower numbers expressed in values, in note values. Here I'm going to shatter some myths about the top number of a time signature. It does not always mean the number of beats. The number of beats is affected by speed. Speed affects the feel. Tempo is the speed of the music. In another lesson, I'll talk about how to measure and write down speed in music. The usual number of beats at a normal tempo is 4 when you're in 4/4, 3 when you're in 3/4 and 2 when you're in 2/4. In 6/8, the normal feel is actually in 2 dotted crotchets or dotted quarter notes. It's only in slow tempos that you will count in 6. If you're doing 4/4 really fast, you'll want to be counting only 2 beats in a bar, 2 minims or 2 half notes per bar. 3/4, if you're going really fast, you'll go just one beat in a bar, a 1 of a dotted minim. Let's practice together completing bars using different time signatures. Here's our first exercise. 4/4, 4 quarter notes in a bar. It has to add up to. We've got a half note here, that's worth 2, and a quarter note worth 1. What's one other note we can put here? Well, the answer is another quarter note. Now I've left space for you to think of some other solutions. We've got 3 beats already. We've only got to have 1 more quarter note beats worth of rhythm. You can fill this with rests or with notes, and there's lots of different possibilities. Here's one idea. Here's another idea. Here's another idea. And here's another idea. Now here's 6/8, and we've got 3 quavers in there already. What's the one note you can put in there that's going to complete the bar of 6/8? We've used up 1 beat. Each beat is a dotted crotchet or dotted quarter note. There's 1 beat's worth. So the solution is a dotted crotchet. Now we're in 12/8, and you'll remember 12/8's a bit like 4/4. It's got 4 beats in a bar, but each beat is worth a dotted quarter note. Completing this bar, you can see we've got beat 1, beat 2, here's beat 3. If you were to put 1 more note in, it would be another dotted quarter note. Now we're going to take some examples from real music And this one's in 3/8. You can see I've completed the first bar and the first 2 beats of the second bar. All you need to do is fill in the rest of this bar with a rest. And here's the answer. And this is taken from the 3rd bar of the piano part of Beethoven's Piano Concerto No. 3 in the slow movement. In this one, we're using some ties, and I've completed the first bar. And please fill in the missing note out of the second bar of 3/4. 3 crotchet beats in a bar. And here's the solution. These are the opening 2 bars of Stravinsky's Petrushka. And this one here, please fill in this note here. There's just one note. And you remember this C here at the beginning is common time, otherwise known as 4/4. And here's the solution. This is the trumpet part from Richard Strauss's Also sprach Zarathustra. This one's in 6/8 and it has an anacrusis of 2 semiquavers. And please fill in this bar with 3 notes that are the same length. And here's the solution. And it's the first couple of bars from Seal's Kiss from a Rose.